this world will end in the hands of doctors, also who will design germs. What happened with the COVID? There is your evidence. Did you see what the Americans say about the COVID? Did I tell you? An American came out, the doctor said, let's speak the truth. And he said, the doctor is a she. And she said, COVID was created to destroy the people. Remember, America said, there are too lot of us. They say we're about 7 billion people, if not mistaken, on the earth. And a man from America said, there are too much, at least we must get rid about 3 billion. And he said, we have to go to Africa and kill those black people because they don't know what they're living for. What, we have to go to Africa and kill those black people because they don't know why they're living. Did you know that once upon a time it was believed in Europe that black people are not human beings, they are subhuman? Did you know that we were treated as subhumans, our great-grandfathers? That's why they did whatsoever. They say those are subhumans, akusibantu. But the black people, that's why they say black people came from apes. And it's a lie. You understand? They were treating us like what? Humans. That is why they say we have to kill at least 3 billion. Let's go to Africa. Who is saying that? The educated people who will bring an end to this world. Ladera, it is not the boys on the village that are smoking nyaupe. I know that is wrong. They are smoking drugs. They are not going to bring an end to the world. The world will be brought to an end by people who supply drugs to them. Amen. How many of them in the parliament were exposed who are drug dealers and drug trafficking? The same people that are out-educated, they are selling drugs to the society. The same people they tell to study. In one hand say study, the other hand they kill them. You can't even trust them with their education. They are the devil's agents. The doctors created germs. This world will end by the hands or in the hands of the corrupt judges, corrupt advocates, corrupt lawyers, corrupt jurisdiction. General Mkwanazi exposed them. Corrupt politicians and corrupt presidents. They are corrupt. Lalela, we are on our own. If we don't believe in God, we are on our own. Let me tell you a secret. There is no politician that's coming to rescue you. They worry about their stomach. And I told you, with the politicians and presidents are puppets on the string of the Roman Catholic. It's Roman Catholic that controls them. We can fight and say, our president, this and this. Our president do not have power. He's been remote control.